In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Jira administrator. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, you're going to want to log into your Jira account. Go ahead and open your preferred web browser and enter the Jira URL. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top navigation bar. You should see an option labeled Your Work. Click on that to access your personal dashboard. Now that you're in your dashboard, let's head over to the settings. Look at the top right corner of your screen, and you'll spot a little gear icon. This is your settings icon. Click on that, and you'll see a variety of options that can help you manage your account settings. Once you click the gear icon, take a moment to scroll through the available options. One important section to look for is titled System. If you see this option, congratulations. That means you are a system administrator, which means you have technical control over workflows and various configurations within Jira. You're in a great position to manage the larger aspects of your team's Jira experience. But let's say you don't see the system option. What's next? Well, the next thing to check for is the user management option. If you see this one instead, it means you're a site administrator. As a site administrator, you have full control over user accounts and site permissions, which is still quite powerful. With these permissions, you can add users, manage roles, and handle site settings effectively. Now, if you don't see either the system or user management options, don't worry. This simply means you don't have administrator access to Jira. But there's still a way to find your Jira administrator if you need assistance. To do this, navigate to the Help section. You can find this option either in your sidebar or at the bottom of the navigation menu. Click on Help, and from the drop-down options, look for Contact Site Admin. When you select that, you will likely be directed to a page that shows the contact information for your Jira site administrators. This can be super helpful when you need support or have questions. If for some reason you still can't find the information you need, another option is to reach out to your company's IT support team. They should be able to assist you in identifying your Jira administrator or help you with any issues you might be facing. So there you have it. Whether you're a system administrator, a site administrator, or not an admin at all, it's straightforward to find the support you need within Jira. Understanding your access level can save you time and help you get the assistance you need without any confusion. Thank you for watching today's video on finding your Jira administrator. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. This way, you can stay updated with more tips and tricks on using Jira effectively.